Tomorrow, our city will face its second snowstorm in less than a month and our first blizzard since 2016.
Whoa. That's a good amount of snow for New York City. Like, the wind is strong. I'm excited like a kid.
I love snow, and this is the first snowstorm I witnessed in New York City as an Italian that just moved here. I've always loved snow and big storms as a kid. I come from a small Italian town in the middle of nowhere, and whenever it snowed, I used to go on adventures in the woods. And that made me feel like an action hero. Okay, maybe even not as a kid. However, now I live in New York City, and so my exploring mission of today has 3 goals. Number 1, seeing Times Square shut down with no cars and just a lot of snow. Number 2, play with the snow in Central Park just like as seen in the movies. And number 3, get a slice of pizza to feel cozy in this snowstorm and just to keep up the Italian cliche. But first, let's see how much snow we have. 13 inches, so 35 centimeters. This is not bad, and this is like not a crazy area, so maybe there's even more in other places. So I got ready as best as I could. I don't have any snow equipment here in New York, to be honest, and left the house towards the subway. Well, look at these. I look kind of ridiculous, I think, but you know, whatever. All right, they cleaned up, like, and put some salt in front of the house. That's pretty good, but not here. There's a travel ban right now in place, which means cars cannot go around. If not, like, only special vehicles can go around just for safety. The storm is in full strength at the moment. I'm so excited. Anyway, one of the reasons why the subway is mostly underground nowadays, it's because in situations like these, it can still potentially run. Maybe with some delays, because some parts of the subways will go up, but not in Manhattan. You can technically walk in the middle of the streets because there's no cars right now. All right, let's go to Times Square. I'm literally as excited as a kid. Whoop, we got some emergency vehicles. Yeah, it's for real dangerous for many different reasons. Stuff falling from roofs, trees breaking, you know? You gotta be really careful. There's the subway. Alright. Yeah, the subway is running normal. However, all trains are running local at the moment. Okay, let's go explore Times Square. So much snow. Wow. It's funny, but there's still a lot of people in Times Square. I guess if you're a tourist and this happens, you go around. Kind of like me. So it makes sense, but famous Times Square steps. Okay, this is pretty cool. Honestly, worth seeing. They do a great job cleaning the streets. I think it's really expensive for the city to keep everything clean. So like whenever there's a big storm like this, it's a lot of money. I think it's $1 million per inch of snow to remove. Something like that. It's crazy. The city also has these warming centers for anyone who needs it. They're all around the city, and I guess they're really helpful in a situation like this. Basically, today is, for me as an Italian, just answering a lot of questions on how does this all work when there's a huge storm in a city like New York. Let's go towards Rockefeller Center. Why is this not green? Oh, I guess it's the salt. Oh man, there's some crazy winds. It hurts. Oh my gosh. Wow. Haha. Just trying to be safe. Good job. Wow. Welcome to Central Park. This is Columbus Circle. Now let's go in. Making a snowman. I love this. I want to make one. He's skiing around. I would do it too, 100%. It's honestly magical. Can't really explain it, but it's just so cool. The main part of the streets are quite clean also. There's a mountain of snow here, but the actual street is not bad. With the buildings in the distance. Okay, that is something I'm scared of. You know, huge pieces of snow falling on my head. Oh, that's a plant breaking. Yeah, that's scary. Try to stay in center parts where there's not too much overhead, just in case. Here's Ship Meadow. The storm is still going. All right, it's time to make a snowman. I mean, it's kind of like a Pinocchio snowman with a huge nose. And I wish I could find something for the eyes, but I'm pretty happy with it. Good luck, snowman. Have a great life. Been great meeting you. Bye. I've always wanted to do that. All right, it's a tiny one. That makes me happy. It's like a bucket list item. Make a snowman in Central Park. I'm honestly getting hungry, so that slice is starting to sound pretty good. What's that? Oh, that's a dog. More skiers. I love seeing everyone smiling and just having fun in these. Like, he's having the time of his life. I guess we all are. That's one of the reasons why I love New York City so much. Feels like a huge, dysfunctional maybe, community. Bobsled. Sledding down. That's so fun. And as I said 3,000 times, this is pretty cool, but the problem is after, where when all this becomes horrible snow mush, and it's hard to walk around, all watery or iced. So there's also a lot of problems, but I still love it. The wind. These cars will be stuck here for a while. The responsibility of cleaning up is of the owners of the building or whatever, you know, the store. So everyone has to do their duty because the city takes care of the streets. But this part is, you know, each individual building owner will have to take care of it. Up here, there's so much snow. Oh my, it's scary because it might fall. And then the walkways become singular walkways. And so it's a mess to go right anywhere. Yeah, they will clean these up, but you know, right after the storm, it'll be kind of like this. See, then you have to step in the snow. Okay, let's get this slice. This poor scooter. All right,